there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features a little gift box which opens up just like that. And I am using products from the new Stampin' Up mini catalogue that runs from August through to December, and it's full of all things fabulous for Christmas and general craft making. I'm using the Be Jolly stamp set. Isn't it cute? Great images for colouring. Love this little guy right here. And also I'm featuring products that are also in our celebration brochure, which is currently running at the moment as well, August and September. When you purchase any item from Stampin' Up to the value of $90 or more, that's $90 Australian, you can qualify for a free item in the celebration brochure. And the paper that I'm using here for this, and this paper is actually two of the items that are free. So let me show you how I made the box, and I'll explain some of these free items as I go along. So you'll need a piece of cardstock for the base. I've used Sahara sand, and this measures 6 inches by 5 inches. And then you'll need a piece also for the band that comes around. And this piece measures 8 inches by 3 1/8. Now this paper is one of the free papers that you can earn for free, I should say, in the celebration brochure, and it's the Peaceful Prints. I love this, the plaid. It's just gorgeous, and it really looks so good with the Sahara sand paper. So I'm just going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring tool. I'm going to put the cardstock in on the long side. This is the 6-inch side, and I'm going to score it at 1.5 and 4.5. Then I'm going to turn it round to that short side, and I'm going to score it at, let me check my notes, 1.5 and 3.5. Bring in the Designer Series paper on the long side and score it at 1 inch, 2.5 inches, 4.5 inches, and 6 inches. That's all the scoring done. Give all of those score lines a burnish. I thought I'd missed one. All right, grab your paper snips and cut up in each of those small vertical score lines. And just going to do a little bit of wedging in there. Oops. Just tidy that up. And same on the other side. And then these small flaps just come in here like that. And that's the box made. Bring in my Tombow. Sorry, I'm just looking for my silicone mat there. So I'm going to use Tombow for this one. Just put a little bit on each of those corners. And then bring in each of the sides. hold that in for a minute. And the same on the other side. Oops. Done. Now with the belly band, it just folds in like that. So you don't want it to be too tight so that you can easily open the box. So what I'm going to do is just pull that in like that and then wrap it round, so I'm going to adhere my tape at the bottom. Just there. So pop a little bit of Stampin' Seal in here. I'm just positioning the top of the box right in here, folding that bottom over. You can use Tombow if you prefer, if it's easier to get a good fit there. And that's it. Comes off nice and easy, slides in and out. So let's get on to the decoration. Now, like I said, I have used the Bedazzling Designer Series paper, which is in the Bedazzling Specialty paper, which is a free item in Celebration. I've gone ahead and used my star dies to cut out the dies already. This paper is, I hope you can see it really well on here. It's just fabulous. So that's a free item, the Bedazzling, and the Peaceful Prince is a free item as well. Oops. I'm going to stamp the tree now. I'm going to stamp it directly onto mint macaron cardstock. And then I'm going to do a little bit of colouring with my blend. So I'm going to use, I don't normally colour onto coloured cardstock, but I thought why not? So I'm just going to put Daffodil Delight in here, just for something different. I'm going to use my actual mint macaron and up here. And this one. Then I'm going to bring in the real red, this one. You could use your watercolour pencils for this too, it doesn't matter. It's not watercolour paper. In fact, I think that would look pretty good. And then I'm just going to fussy cut the tree. So it doesn't take much to fussy cut this one out. So we'll just get that done. And then it's all finished. And I also went ahead and coloured in the base of the tree with the two different colours of the smoky slate. Now I've gone ahead and stamped the sentiment, a Merry Hello, and I've stamped it onto Sahara Sand, and I just used the Memento colour for that one. So let me show you how I put it together. Let's put our star on first. This Bedazzling paper really is dazzling. It's so good. And because the promotion runs from August and September, I'm going to get a good long time to get in there and purchase it. But don't leave it too late, because I think that Bedazzling Designer Series, Bedazzling Specialty paper will sell out very quickly somehow. I really think so. Just putting some dimensionals on here. Before I adhere the tree, I'm going to put that right onto there. I just realised I've put that on way too far close. Let's fix that up. So let's just put a little bit of adhesive on here. Go. It just goes over the side. Oops. That's better. A little bit crooked. I think I need another dimensional underneath there and one here. Oops, I forgot to put on. Let's just fix that up. Okay, and then let's put this back on with a dimensional underneath there. There we go, that's better. And these cute little stars. Oh, I bet I've gone and lost the little tiny one already, haven't I? Yep. Not stuck anywhere else. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Got a little bit of tombow on there. Just up in there. And finally a little one of the little red jewels, which are in the annual catalogue. There we go. And there you have it. It's a very easy little box to make. And I hope you'll give it a try. And if you would like to know anything more about the products I've used today, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. Have a great and crafty day, and thank you for watching. Bye.